So in this video, I'm gonna share with you, in my opinion, the easiest way to make money as an Amazon affiliate. I'm gonna get straight to the point. If you wanna make the most amount of money as an Amazon affiliate, you need to start making review videos, all right? Now you might be thinking, how can I make review videos because I don't have like everything that I'm promoting, like I don't own it? Well, it's all good, all right? Keep in mind, when people are looking up, you know, so-and-so reviews, or just say, for example, a particular golf club, right? And they're looking up reviews, all they want to know is what people are saying about it. Like, they don't necessarily want to know what you think about it, right? That's why they're searching, because they don't know you, right? So they just want information. They just want to know what other people are saying. And if you are a customer, great, but they just want to know in general. They're just looking for reviews of that golf club. So what you can do if you don't own the particular product is go on Amazon itself, right? And actually you can do a video talking about what people are saying on Amazon, right? You can look at, you know, the Amazon reviews, and you can do screenshots. I think you're allowed to do that, right? Or if not, you could just do your own little slides, or you can just read from Amazon. I know you could do that. You can just read, you know, what people are saying about it. You can actually even go off of Amazon, right, and go to other review sites that talk about the same product, and you can make a video based around that. Now, if you want to do a, you know, a video like where you're on camera like me, and you're just, you know, reading the information and taking notes about what people are saying about the product, or if you want to do like a, you know, screenshot style video, or if you want to do like the little picture-in-picture, you know, video streaming side by side, whatever you feel comfortable doing, right? You need to create these videos, and obviously you want to direct people to your Amazon affiliate link. So this could work with pretty much anything, right? Go start creating content. And the cool thing is, because the big craze right now is short videos, right? So Facebook Reels, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Now, I mean, you can kill it right now. You can really kill it right now, because now you don't even have to worry about, you know, having a long, lengthy video with tons of reviews and information. Now you can do a 30-second video talking about 2 different reviews that you found on Amazon about this product. You know what I mean? So you can literally, you know, have your phone, boom, you know, and hey guys, if you want to check out the new 5-iron golf club, I don't know nothing about golf. But yo guys, if you want to check this out, this is what people are saying about this golf club on Amazon. And then you can do show your screen, and you can literally just show the review, boom. You want to, then you get back on the camera and say, you want to check it out for yourself? Link in the description, or link in the comments, or link wherever the hell it's at. Boom, done. Done. You want to talk about affiliate marketing? That's how you can do it. That's how you want to talk about doing easy Amazon affiliate marketing. That's how you can do it, and you can get started with it today. All right, guys, you got to keep in mind that all these videos, all of these strategies, they can work, but a lot of people, they just don't take action, right? Trust me when I tell you, if you take the information that I just gave you and you actually apply it, you can do this. It don't even got to be just Amazon. Anything that you're an affiliate of, you can take the same strategy and use it. It's just about taking action, right? You have what you need right now to start making money as an affiliate marketer. So just go do it. Don't watch another 100 videos trying to get another technique that might be better than this technique. This will work, but you have to take action. You have to work it and stick with it. All right. So if you want to check out an affiliate marketing system that shows you how to earn $50, $150, and even $300 instant commissions, you definitely want to check out this video right here.